Welcome to day 6. Today, we will practice releasing our stress by imagining it flowing away like a river carrying away rocks. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly. Now imagine you are standing beside a calm river. The water is clear and peaceful, flowing gently. Next, imagine that you have some stones in your hand. These stones represent the stress and worries you've been carrying. One by one, gently place each stone in the river. Watch as the water carries them away. Let go of each stone, releasing its weight. See how the water takes away the worries, leaving you feeling lighter and more at peace. The river continues to flow, and so does your calm. All that remains is peace. Take a deep breath in and exhale, feeling the relief of releasing stress. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment, gently wiggling your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Remember, the river is always there to carry away your worries.